How to turn off autoplay on YouTube app. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily turn off the autoplay feature on YouTube. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up the application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then what you're going to have to do next is simply tap on any one of the video and play it. Here I have played this video, so in order to see if your autoplay is on or not, you can tap on the screen, and at the top here you'll see this toggle button. If this is turned on like this, the autoplay will be turned on, and whenever the video ends, a new video will start playing from the next list. So here I'm going to play the video and to the end. So once you've done that, you could just tap on next and a next video will start playing. So in order to turn it off, you could just go ahead and tap on this toggle and the autoplay will be turned off. Additionally, you can go to your settings menu and check if you can do it from here as well. So once you go to settings, tap on general, and if you see any autoplay option here, you can turn it off. If you scroll down, you can go to playback. And then from here, turn off the autoplay next video. Make sure this is off and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.